Hi. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to search and replace text in PDF using PDF.co and Integromat. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample PDF document to replace its company name. So, let's get started. First, log into your Make account, formerly Integromat, and click the Create a New Scenario button. Next, search and select the PDF.co app. And choose the Make an API Call module. This module will allow us to call any PDF.co web API endpoints. Now, let's connect the PDF.co account by adding the API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Next, add the Search and Replace API endpoint. You can see the link of the endpoint in the description box below. For the input type field, let's use the override URL param with value to directly input the source file URL. Then add your preferred output file name. Now, let's add the body param. For item 1, type search string as the key and add the text you want to be replaced for value. For item 2, type replace string as the key and add the replacement text for the value. For item 3, type case-sensitive as the key and set it to true to differentiate between capital and lowercase letters. Once you have added all the items for search string and replace string parameters, run the scenario to see the result. The PDF.co processed our request successfully and returned a temporary URL. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's what the output looks like after replacing the original text your company name with XYZ LLC. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.